Google's older Pixel phones are facing a catastrophic issue. They're turning into useless bricks. But here's where it gets controversial. Google is apparently refusing to help fix the problem. A Redditor claims that many older Pixel devices, including the Pixel 6, 7, and 8 series, are becoming completely unusable. This happens when users switch slots, flash certain ROMs, downgrade the OS, or install the June 2025 update. Yes, you heard that right. Google's own update might be causing these phones to die. But Google isn't providing the recovery bootloader images that could bring these bricked phones back to life. They cited security reasons for not offering the solution. Many users are questioning this explanation, arguing that recovery bootloaders don't introduce any new security risks. We've reached out to Google for comment, but in the meantime, what do you think? Is Google justified in prioritizing security over helping users recover their devices? Or should they be doing more to support customers who've been impacted by this issue, especially those who may have been affected by the June 2025 update? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.